If you're going to remember, meron tayong ginuhit dito. Sabi nga natin, 100K yung kailangan niya at least basagin. We're trying to break sa H4. Baba ako sa H4. We're trying to break the resistance. Yung tipay resistance natin sa H4, yung yellow line. We're trying to break it. It's not yet confirmed. We're trying to break the 9900K level. I want to see Bitcoin na basagin niya at mag-confirm tayo on a daily. Mag-close tayo above 100K and trade above 100K. If we do that, sabi nga natin, in our previous contents, the bulls will be in control and we might see a revisit probably somewhere at 106, 105 again. Masusustain natin itong breakout na to. So, ang maganda po dito, nakita naman natin, ito ay may uptrend sa H4. Kung makikita nyo sa H1 to, most likely may buy signal. Ayun, may signal siya sa H1 ay sa TIPI system natin and we're trying to break. Ang next na po niyan, kung magiging successful yung break, makakakita ka ng buy sa H4. So, meron tayong uptrend, H4. Something to watch out for, mga titos and titas, okay, na actively nagte-trade is yung basag. Baka bumasag sa baba, ha? Okay? Kaya gusto natin mag-confirm muna. Kasi pag pumasag to sa baba, most likely, babalik ka na naman dito or at least here in this area, around 96, and then we'll see. Pwede ka kasing tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung dribble-dribble. Ang inaantay ni Bitcoin for me is the catalyst. Is a catalyst, a strong catalyst para basagin yung 100. We will see later tonight, pagpasok ng US market, pagpasok ng European market in the afternoon, kung may appetite ba sila to buy Bitcoin after nila magpahinga, after ng kanilang bakasyon, okay, ganado ba silang bumili ulit. At the very least, please watch this trend line. Yung trend line na yan. Kasi kung babasag yan, if you're actively trading this, nakalong kayo, that's your trigger to take profit pagka binasag po ito. Protect your capital pag binasag yung trend line.